let's start talking about what Jira Advanced Roadmaps Summary View is all about. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to the channel, drop a like if you get value out of this video, and don't forget to check out those links down below, as I have links to my merch store, my paid courses, my free courses, and all the other different ways that you can help support this channel. So what is the summary view in Jira Advanced Roadmap? Let me give you a quick little peek. As you can see, this is basically an overview. If you've used Jira Work Management, then you're probably very familiar with this. But essentially, it's an overview of everything that is happening in your Jira Advanced Roadmap or your plan. I like to use jar because it just sounds cooler and better. But anyways, this is an overview. This just gives you a lot of information. It gives you some very helpful things up at the top. It gives you some overviews. It gives you just a lot of insights that you and your team can use in order to make better and more strategic decisions. And this is very, very important, right? Because sometimes you can get lost in the weeds. Sometimes you can get lost in all that data. And this summary view is a great way to just elevate certain information, important information, that you and your team need in order to be able to do some strategic decisions, right? Because every time that your team doesn't take action, well, it leads to inaction, and inaction leads to sometimes loss of money. So that's essentially what the Jira Advanced Roadmap Summary View is. Now, what makes this a little bit special is that very similar to the work management summary views there, it's an aggregate. So as we bring in data from multiple Jira projects, we have a single unified view that shows us all that important information, not just for like a team, but for a program or a project or whatever you're defining that is bigger and grander in scale. But anyways, that's it for this video. If you did enjoy it, please make sure you smash that subscribe button, smash that like button, and most importantly, there's links down below. Check them all out. We got some really cool merch. We have some paid courses, some free courses. I have one-on-one memberships. I have just donations, whatever you want, whatever you're looking for. I probably have a resource for you. So everything is in that link tree down below. So go check it out, and I'll see you in the next one.